You are given a structure like this, and there are n number of questions that can be asked. For example, how many carbon atoms are present in this structure? You can also be asked, what is the name of this compound? Many students start with labeling the carbon atoms, and they start by labeling that we have a carbon atom at this end, then we have a carbon atom at this corner, we have another carbon atom at this corner, and then a final carbon atom at this corner. So they will write that since there are 4 carbon atoms, so this is a but, then we have a triple bond, so it's an ine, and the position of the triple bond is at the second carbon atom, so it is but2ine, which, my friends, is wrong. This is not the bond line structure of but2ine. In reality, there are 2 more carbon atoms here. One is at this end of the triple bond and the other carbon is at this end of the triple bond. So there are 6 carbon atoms, and this is one of the most common mistakes that students do when drawing the bond line diagrams. The correct name of this compound is hex3ine. And how many carbon atoms are present? The correct number of carbon atoms is. Why is this question so confusing? And where did these carbon atoms come from? To answer that question, let's first look at the bond line diagram of but2ine. Generally, we draw the carbon atoms in zigzag fashion, but don't do that in the case of an alkyne, because an alkyne is sp hybridized, and so it tends to be linear. We will draw the triple bond first. Now there are 2 carbon atoms for this triple bond. One is at this spot, the other one is at this spot. In this chain though, there are 4 carbon atoms. So we will extend this to the other carbon atom and also on the left side. Now we have 4 carbon atoms. So the bond line structure of but2ine is a straight line. Now if we go back to our question, we can see a similar structure over here. So there are 4 carbon atoms present here. Then the remaining 2 carbon atoms are attached in zigzag fashion. So this is the structure of hex3ine.